Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In the previous videos, we have been discussing about how to enable communication with our computer. Now in this video, let's check like what is a program? What is the definition of a program? So let's suppose we have two numbers to add like 20 plus 5. Then we know like okay, we have to add 20 plus 5 and we will get the answer at 25. And let's suppose in another scenario, we want to add a list of numbers and find its average like 20, 10, 5, 12. In this case, we know like we have to add plus this, then this plus this and plus this. Then it will be like 30, 35, 40, 47. Now this is just the sum of the numbers. But for taking the average, we have to divide it by count. So average is equal to total by count. And it will be like our total will be 47 and the count will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the output will be 11.75. So this is our final output. And here this is our data and the procedure, like we have to add all these elements and we have to find out this total. Then we have to divide it by count. Then we will be getting the output. So this is the procedure or instruction. So this is data. So if we take the same in the programming sense, a program is a collection of data plus set of instruction or operation on the data. So here it will be the data and this will be the procedure. So program is equal to data plus instructions. So whenever we get a new program, we have to focus only on the two main parts: what data we have and what we have to do with this exact data. So now we understood the definition of a program. That's all for this video. See you on the next video.